So, hi students, today we are going to solve some question based on domain. Okay, so it is written on the board. You can write down all the questions. After that, I will solve all the questions one by one. Okay. Okay. So we are going to solve this question. Okay. So look the board sincerely. You, you have fx equal to root under x square minus 5x plus 6. As you know that any expression under even roots must be greater than and equal to 0. Okay, so here x square minus 5x plus 6 must be greater than equal to 0. Okay, so factorize this equation. This is the quadratic equation. So x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 greater than equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 2 minus 3 x minus 2 greater than equal to 0. So finally x minus 2 x minus 3 greater than equal to 0. Okay. Any problem? No. So solution of this equation, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so this is greater than 3, this is less than 2. So domain of this question, okay, yeah, you can say answer of this question, x belongs to minus infinite say 2, close interval union 3 say infinite. Okay, this is your answer. Now we are going to solve second question. Question is this: fx equal to root under x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 1 upon x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So again we know that any expression under even roots must be greater than equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2, this is must be greater than equal to 0. So its factor x minus 1, x minus 2 greater than equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition number 1. You can say this is the domain number 1. Again, this 1 upon this square root. So this also x square minus 5x plus 6, okay, must be greater than 0. Only greater than 0, not equal to 0. So each factor x minus 2, x minus 3 greater than 0. Okay, this is the domain number second. Domain number second. Now intersection of, okay, intersection of d1 and d2. So x belongs to d1 intersection d2. So on number line this is x less than equal to 1 or x greater than equal to 2. This is x less than 2 or x greater than 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This is domain number 1, x less than equal to 1. Domain number 2, sorry, x greater than equal to, this is 2. Okay, again this x less than 2, x less than 2 and x greater than 3. So this intersection part is this. This is the intersection. So your answer, domain belongs to minus infinite minus 1 union 1 पे close interval, okay, 1 close interval union 3 पे open interval 3 to infinite. Okay, this is your answer. Any question? Okay. Now we are going to discuss question number third. Okay. So question number third is root under log base 1 by 3 under 5x minus x square upon 4. Okay. I think this is 1 by 2, not equal 3. This is 1 by 2. Okay. So we are going to solve this question. First of all, this log is under a square. As we know that any expression under even roots must be greater than equal to 0. Okay. So log base 1 by 2 5x minus x square upon 4, this must be greater than equal to 0. Any problem? Okay. Now 5x minus x square upon 4, okay, less than 1 by 2, 0, less than equal to. Any problem? So 5x minus x square less than equal to 4. So x square, minus 5x plus 4 greater than equal to 0. Okay. So this is x minus 1, x minus 4 greater than equal to 0. This is the domain number first. Okay. Now second condition. The argument of this logarithm log must be greater than 0. So 5x minus x square upon 4, this must be greater than 0. Okay. So this is 5x minus x square. Okay. 5x minus x square greater than 0. So x square minus 5x less than 0. Okay. Less than 0. So x minus 5 less than 0. Okay. So from this you can say this is D2. So final answer, domain belongs to D1 intersection D2. Okay. So on number line, this is greater than equal to, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 4, this is 5. Domain number 1, x minus 1, x minus 4 greater than equal to 0. It means less than equal to 1, or this is greater than equal to. This is domain number first. Again, domain number second. This lie between 0 to 5, you can say 0 less than x less than 5. Okay. From here you can say x less than equal to 1 or x greater than equal to 4. So 0 to 5. Open interval 0 to 5. So intersection part is this. Okay. Or here intersection part is this. Okay. So your answer is domain belongs to 0, 1 union 4, 5. This is your answer. Okay. Any problem? Now this question, this is fx equal to 2 upon x square minus 4 log base 10 x square minus x. Okay. We are going to solve this question. First of all, this is domain of this function, this term. So this is true for all x belongs to R, except this should not be equal to 0. So x square minus 4 should not be equal to 0. Okay. So x should not be equal to plus minus 2. Okay. Second, this log of this argument x square minus x must be greater than 0. Okay. So from here x minus 1 greater than 0. Okay. So from here x less than 0 or x greater than 1. This is domain second. Okay. Now you can say this is domain 1. Okay. Now x या domain belongs to D1 intersection D2. For this, on number line, this is 0, this is 1, okay, this is minus 2, and this is 2. Okay, so this is less than 0, this is greater than 1, but this should not be equal to x plus minus 2. This should not be equal to minus 2. This should not be equal to 2. Okay, so your answer is okay. So write down this question. Okay, so finally your answer is minus 2 minus infinite से minus 2 union minus 2 से 0 union 1 से 2 close interval and again 2 से infinite. This is your answer. Okay, write down. Okay, now this question f(x) equal to log base x plus 1 argument x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, we are going to solve this question. So first of all, the base of this log is x plus 1. So as we know that this base x plus 1 must be greater than 0. So this x must be greater than minus 1. Okay. Again, this x plus 1 should not be equal to 1. Base should not be equal to 1. So this x should not be equal to 0. So x greater than minus 1 or x should not be equal to 0. This is domain number 1. Okay. Now this argument must be greater than 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2, this greater than 0. So factor of this x minus 1, x minus 2 must be greater than 0. Okay. So from here x less than 1 or x greater than 2, this is domain 2. Now domain belongs to D1 intersection D2. Okay. So on number line, this is minus 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay. Condition number D1, condition of D1, x greater than minus 1. X greater than minus 1, this is here. X should not be equal to 0, this is should not be equal to 0. Okay. Now x less than 1, x less than 1. This is x less than 1. Now x greater than 2, this is x greater than 2. Okay. Now common part is this. This is the common part. This is the common part and this is your answer. So you can write this D belongs to, okay, minus 1 to 0 union 0 to 1 union 2 say infinite. This is your answer. Okay, any problem?